Hey everyone, this is Jake Burns. Here today we're going to cover how to create a great template for your realtor business. So first thing we're going to do is click on the create button, choose email. That'll give us a list of options here for emails. And we're going to scroll down and choose how about the feature listing one? That one works pretty well. Great, now that that's loaded, we're going to give it a name, My Realtor Template. Perfect. And then we're going to go and we're going to actually change out some of the aspects as far as color and fonts. You can change the pattern, the background pattern, change the color background, the inner background, and depending on your business. And then click on the Arial. I like to use Arial for text, and in this case I'm going to use that font size or color. And then lastly, for links, we're going to use this blue. Buttons and dividers, we're going to choose the same blue. Headlines, blue. And then feature articles, we'll use white. After that's done, we're going to click back to build. And we're going to get started actually changing out some of the photos to make it your template. So I already preloaded a few images. And we're going to choose Acme Realty here. And of course, you want to make that a little bit larger. There we go. Now we're going to add a link to it. Okay, we'll insert that. And then here in this section, you can either use it as the top part of promoting the specific property, or you can use it as an intro to the email. I've seen it used both ways. After that, you can either keep this image here since it's a template, or you can go and load in your own image. In this case, we're just going to load an image quick. Typically, you would link this out to the property itself. In our case, we're just going to link it to our website, since you can change that later on. Then down here, this is where we're going to put the location. And possibly the price. And then other information here too. You can format that however you like, and then certainly you can add in here additional text. You can copy and paste it from the listing itself. In this case, we're going to leave it just as is, and then we're going to go to view more details, change it to view this listing, a little bit better call to action there, and then we're going to click insert, so that link is good to go. Alright, so the next section, things we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this bottom section, we don't need it, and then we're going to actually change out and add a few articles. The way we do that is we're going to use the new read more functionality in Constant Contact. So we'll pull it in, we'll drop it in on the page where we want to drop it. There we go. And then we're going to get rid of any elements we don't want. So we just click on them. Click on that. And there we go. Now it has that kind of gray background which we don't want. So we're going to click on the color and turn that to white. Now we want to add a couple articles in here just so we can see it for a future case. So we'll click on the article, we're going to click edit, and then paste in the link. It automatically pulls in the image. You can adjust the text here if you want, but usually it's pretty good. And then we'll do it a second time for this one. Perfect. Great. Now we're going to drop in your photo. So we're going to go to the photo at the bottom, click on the image, and then we're going to go find the one I pre-uploaded. Perfect. And then we can change the text here or do what we want with that. And then certainly if you want to change the call to action here, see all listings or possibly contact me, either one works well. Click done, and that's it. We have a great new template that you can build your next email on and have it look good as it lands in both mobile and desktop mailboxes. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check back and watch all of our videos here.
Hey, thanks for watching. You know, Bigger Better Biz is dedicated to equipping you with the tools and know-how to grow a bigger, better small business. It all starts with you. So if you enjoyed the video, please click like below. Feel free to ask questions in the comments. And if it's not too much to ask, subscribe to the channel and click that bell because you'll be notified every time we have a new video to help you grow that bigger, better biz. Here's to your success.